Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to remove hyphens in Excel. The hyphen or dash serves multiple purposes in Excel. It can be used as a hyphen in words, hyphenated words such as short term, or it can be used as a dash in phone numbers or ID numbers, serial numbers, or it can also be used as a minus sign when I want to subtract two numbers in Excel. So frequently I will find hyphens when in data sets which have been exported from other applications. So in these cases, there may be incorrect formatting in which hyphens have been introduced, and I need to remove them. In this example, I have a list of names and phone numbers, and these phone numbers have hyphens which are all in the wrong places. These are Indian phone numbers, and I want to remove the hyphens so that the numbers make sense. So phone numbers, of course, will not be used for calculations, but if you have a set of numbers with hyphens that you want to use for calculations, you will need to remove the hyphens. In this case, I want to remove the hyphens from the phone number because I may be using this file as an input to an auto dialing application, and this will not be recognized as a phone number. So there are two ways of doing it. The first way is to use the find and replace option. So for this, I can either press Control H, or on the home menu, I can go to expand the find and select menu and say replace. So here I want to find the hyphen and I want to replace it with nothing. So I leave the replace with the blank and then say replace all. So Excel says it's made 36 replacement because there were a lot of hyphens there. So I'll say OK and close. And I can see that the hyphens have been removed. Now, this is okay to use this find and replace method if it's just a one-time activity. But what if I want a more permanent solution where every time I have these phone numbers, I want the hyphens removed? I'll press Control Z to bring back the hyphens. In this case, I will use the substitute function of Excel. So let's see how this works. I type substitute here. And now this takes 4 arguments. The first is the text. In this case, it is the phone number that I want to change, comma. Now the old text, in this case, I have to specify what I want replaced within double quotes. So here it is the hyphen. The next argument is the what I want it replaced with. Since I don't want anything in its place, I just put double quotes indicating there's nothing. The last argument is the instance in which I can specify the number of occurrences I want removed. It's only an optional argument and I want all removed, so I'm not going to specify that argument. I'll just close the brackets and say enter. And now, as you can see, all the hyphens have been removed. I can then just drag the fill handle down to copy the formula to the rest of the cells. And all the hyphens have been removed within the column. So this option can be used when you want a more permanent solution where every time you have the phone numbers, you want them removed. In this case, you can use the substitute function. This is how to remove hyphens in Excel. Please read the appended article for further guidance.